Kindly subscribe to our channel for getting new ideas on different projects.
This project is about blood donation in ASP.NET with C#.NET and SQL Server. In this project we can give our requirements for blood. Users are encouraged to donate blood on this website. In the About Us section, we tell the users that why they should donate blood. We resolve their frequently asked questions. First, we will show you admin panel of the site. We can add state, city, blood bank, blood donation camp and blood group. First, let us see add state. Here we will have to give the state name and it will save to the database. Now let's see add city. Here all the states are shown dynamically from database in drop-down list. See, our newly added state is also available here automatically. Now we will just give new city name and it will be added under the selected state. In add blood bank we will add a new blood bank available in particular state and city by filling various details. Here also states and cities are shown dynamically from database. Now we will add upcoming blood donation camp by filling various details like title, state, city, date, etc. You can also add the picture for the camp. Here we can add a new blood group which is not available on our website. We can also update and delete state, city, blood bank, blood donation camp and blood group. We will see all of them in detail later on. Now let's see user side of the website. Here we signing up on the site as a new donor by filling various details like name, address, state, city and blood group etc. Here also everything is also dynamic. Now after signing up we can log in into the website, which will give us the privilege to access the restricted pages. Here one CA and fill the requirements of the blood needed for himself or someone else. Requirements will be visible on the website for the next 7 days from the date of posting. If any blood donor wishes to donate the blood, then the donor can themselves search the requirements of the blood in particular city. If anyone needs blood, then one can also search for donors in particular state and city according to the blood group and can get the details of the donors to contact them. One can also search about the upcoming blood donation camps in their state and cities to donate the blood. Here, in case of need of blood, any user can search and get information about the blood banks in their state and cities to contact them. All this information about donor, camps and blood banks are coming dynamically from database which we added in admin panel. Here any user can send message to admin by filling various details about himself. User can also give feedback or suggestions about the site to the admin by answering few questions. Here user can also change password. Now let's again log in as admin in the site. From here, admin can check the various messages sent by the user. See the latest message, which we just sent. Admin can also delete the messages after reading them. From here, admin can check the various feedbacks sent by the user. Admin can also see the list of members in various states and cities. Admin can also update and delete state. Here we are changing the name of the recently added state. In same manner, we can update any city under any state. Admin can also update the blood bank details like name, address, timings etc. under any particular state and city. In same manner, we can update the details of blood donation camp like title, location, phone etc. Admin can also update the blood group if needed. Now let's see deletion part. Here admin have the option to delete city, state, blood group, camp, blood bank etc. The entire project is totally dynamic in nature, i.e. everything is connected to database. You can buy this full working project with full source code and database at very reasonable cost from www.projectsforeveryone.com. Kindly subscribe our channel for more such projects. Thanks for watching.